This is a Trident Disabilities audio archive recording for New Disabled South on Florida 2024 House Bill 181, Air Conditioning in Inmate Housing, read by Angela Luttrell on February 18, 2024. With sponsors Angie Nixon, Democratic, District 13, Christopher Benjamin, Democratic, District 107, Anna Escamani, Democratic, District 42, Rita Harris, Democratic, District 44, and Yvonne Henson, Democratic, District 21. About the bill. The bill will make sure that every prison has air conditioning in the rooms where the inmates sleep. Inmates, someone who did a crime and lives in a prison as punishment. Crime, someone does something against the law. This bill says that the air conditioners need to be the right size and there needs to be enough air conditions for each sleeping area. The air conditioners also have to work well all the time. The government will pay money to buy and take care of the air conditioners. This is important because it will help keep the inmates cool. Bill status: November 2nd, 2023. Referred to Justice Appropriations Subcommittee. November 2nd, 2023. Referred to Judiciary Committee. November 2nd, 2023. Now in Criminal Justice Subcommittee. January 9th, 2024. First reading, original filed version.